In this video we are going to learn how to find the log of any value. So before we start with the main problem, let us discuss some formulas. The first formula is log m into n, which is equal to log of m plus log of n. For example, 15 can be written as multiple of 5 into 3. So my formula becomes log of 5 plus log of 3. Next formula I have log of m upon n. If we are having two numbers and they are written in the division, so we can write log of m minus log of n. For example, here log of 7 minus log of 6. Next formula we have log of m, which can be written as log of m raised to power n, and power will come in forward and it becomes n log m. For example, if I am having log 8, which can be written as log 2 cube, so power is here 3 and 3 will come in the forward direction, the forward, which is equal to 3 log 2. So we can written like this. If we are having a number like log am, then it can be written as log of bm and log of ba. It means we can change the base of logarithm function. For example, I am having here log of 7 and 10. I can written this 7 as a base of 10. For example, log of 10 here, and here I have log of 10 and 7. Because we know that we don't have any value of log to the base 7, we generally have the values of log to the base 10. And if I am having a same base and same a number like this, log aa, then answer will be equal to 1. Next, a to the power log m. If we are having a number and in the power we are having a number of log a, then it can be written as m. For example, 5 log of 5 m. It will changes to 6 second, right? So this thing becomes 1 and I get only 6 answer. Log of 1 is always 0. It doesn't matter what base you are having, it is always be 0. Okay. After the formulas, we will start with the problem of logarithm. Before that, let us understand the basic concept. In log function, for example, I have to find the value of log 2.31 like this. Okay. In this term, I have two things. One is called characteristics and second is called mantissa. Now characteristics are the number of digit. Characteristics we find as n minus 1 and it is always written before the decimal, Here n is the number of digit before decimal. As I can see in this question, I am having 2 before the decimal point. So the value of n will be equal to 1 here and characteristics will be equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we can write the answer of this value like 0 point something. Now this 0 is called characteristics of the logarithm function. Now how to see the mantissa? Mantissa is 231. 231 is mantissa and we are going to see this 231 in the log table. Like this log table, we have to check the 231. Okay. So 23, the value of 23 we have to check enter 1. Here we will see the value of 23 and we have to check at 1. So we will say 23 at 1 and the answer is 3636. 3636. So I can write my characteristics is 0 point and the value that I got is 3636 and that would be my answer. This is how we can find the log of any function. Now let us see the next example, which is log of 52.73. Okay. Now first of all see the number of digit before the decimal. Now we are having here 2 digit before the decimal. So my characteristic will be equal to n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So my answer will be written like this, 1 point something Now my something is Mantissa, and Mantissa here is 5273. This is the Mantissa. In this Mantissa we have to check 52, add 7, and we'll add the mean of 3. Let's see the table. We have to check 52 here, 52 at 7. So this is my 52 and I have to check at 7. So my 7 will be here. This is 7, third line. So 52 at 7, 728. So value is 7218, and we have to add the mean of 3. This is the mean difference, and mean difference of 3 here for 52 is 2. So we'll add 2 like this. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Here is 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 7. So my Mantissa will be 7220. So I can write here 1.7220. This is how we can find the log of any function.